Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chris Han. I review fashion, beauty, and lifestyle products on this channel. The holiday season is here and I do have a lot of people on my list to send gifts to, but finding the perfect gift sometimes feels a little bit overwhelming. And the holiday is the time for you to celebrate with and say thank you to the most caring and the loving, people in your life. Whether it's your mom, like mom friends, a mom-to-be maybe, mother-in-law, or just your mother figures in your life. I think they all deserve like a little bit extra care and love during the holidays. Today I'm gonna share a curated list of thoughtful and luxurious gifts that every mom would deserve. By luxurious, I mean something that's nice, premium, good quality a mom would appreciate, but nothing like too overwhelmingly expensive. I think the list can work around a lot of budgets. I have gifts anywhere from $50 to a couple $100 depending on how much you want to spend. I have actually everything from like home products, beauty tech, skincare products to wellness. And I'll dive into why each one stands out. Now let's move on to the first one. I'm not exaggerating, but this product has totally transformed my daily routine. This is the Narwal Freo X Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Whether you have kids running around or pets that leave fur everywhere, this little genius takes cleaning off your to-do list like completely. One thing that really blew me away is the power of this little robot. It has 8,200 power of suction, which means it can handle everything from breadcrumbs to dust to fur or hair. Unlike a lot of other vacuum robots, the brush of this robot won't get tangled by loose hair strands. I don't need to constantly clean the hair tangled brush. It breaks it in and sucks it in like automatically. By the way, it's more than just a vacuum, it also mops the floor. It scrubs with these amazingly powerful mopping heads until everything shines, until everything is like very clean. And this robot is very smart. It cleans the floor and knows where to go. It avoids like obstacles, like your furniture and your appliances. It draws a map of your house and it knows where to go. And it even recognizes a spot with extra dirt that need repeated cleaning, need some extra care. With Narwal, you'll never be left with half-clean floors. Sometimes in the kitchen where the floor is extra dirty, the robot goes back to clean it again and just repeats working on it until it's fully shiny and clean. And let me show you the best part. This is the docking station. This is the command center for the robot. It washes, dries, and refills the mop heads automatically. All I need to do is to add clean water to the clean water tank and get rid of the dirty water. So from my experience, I can go like hands-free when the robot is cleaning, and after the clean session, I don't have to clean the robot. It is a smart robot. You can control everything from your phone. This is so easy. I put Narwal on top of my list because I personally know like a few mom friends who are looking for a vacuum robot like that. This is definitely perfect for anyone who's short on time, who doesn't have enough time to mopping or cleaning their floors. I know that Narwal is on sale this holiday and the brand is very nice. They sent me a code so you can utilize the code for an extra discount. So if you're looking for something that's nice, premium, but very practical for your moms, I think Narwal robots will be great. The next one is something that I've been loving and using in my routine and I highly recommend it for anyone who wants to utilize the latest technology for skincare. This is CurrentBody LED Light Therapy Face Mask. This is the Series 2. Series 1 is already a great product, but Series 2 has some upgrades that totally like elevated the whole experience. First thing first, you probably noticed the difference of the shape of the mask. It's a different design. It's still like soft silicone, very wearable, but the fit is upgraded. You see it's more like 3D and it has chain coverage here. And the inside of the mask, it has red and near infrared lights, but these light bulbs are improved. It's got 236 light bulbs to emit 3 different wavelengths. These are all clinically proven. Different skin areas actually need a different wavelengths to be like effective. So it's all like scientifically designed and approved. These are like so amazing. And this one single product, one single device can tackle wrinkles, redness, uneven skin tones, and a lot of other skin concerns. I have been seeing like visible difference on my skin. I love the Series 1, it's been improving my skin, but the Series 2, it's, I would say, easier, more effective. And one thing about Series 2 that's very impressive, the brand kind of improved their whole QC process. So each individual mask has been tested and the whole process is being documented, so you can see the journey of your individual mask through this Veritas NFC card. And for me, I feel like it's one of the things that I can save time, actually save time for my skincare routine. So for daily, because I have a 4-year-old, I'm busy, I don't have time to do like 10 steps, 15 steps, like those everything, skincare routine, things like that. I use LED mask. 10 minutes a day, or sometimes maybe 4 to 5 times a week. So just 10 minutes a day, and you can just do your things while you're wearing your LED mask, because you can charge the battery and you can be mobile. You take care of whatever you need to while doing your skincare. And this is just one easy thing that I can do for my own skin. So if you're looking for the best and newest in skincare space, I think CurrentBody is a nice choice. If your budget allows, you can take a look at Series 2. It's really something that worth the investment. And I personally love it. I think a lot of moms would enjoy radiant, youthful skin as well. The next one is something that I would say it's a very classic gift for moms. L'Occitane shower products. If you know me, you know how much I like L'Occitane. I've been sharing these products like multiple times across my channels. I love these products in my own routine, and I also enjoy gifting L'Occitane to others. But I still like to talk about it and share with you today, because I would highly recommend, you know, this set, the almond collection, the almond shower oil and almond supple skin oil. And especially supple skin oil, it's like a newer product, but I really like it. It's softening, it's smoothing, and it gives like the subtle scent, which is beautiful. And this shower oil is a multitasker. It's a nice cleansing product, of course. It's also moisturizing. It also serves nicely as a shave base. It transforms from oil texture to like silky, milky texture. Fall winter season could be a little bit tough on skin, but if you have a nice set of shower products like this, you can still keep the skin hydrated, silky and smooth. Trust me, nobody's gonna say no to L'Occitane. It comes with a beautiful gift set and it smells amazing. So this set makes a perfect gift for anyone who deserves like a little extra love for their skin this holiday. The next one is a hair styler. I know hair is very personal. Hair products could be hit or miss, but I think this one is really like a safe choice. This model is GHD Chronos Black Flat Iron. I've been really loving this flat iron. It's like very straightforward, easy to use. I'm busy, I don't have time for like 30 seconds, 1 minute heating, so it heats quickly, it saves time. And the build quality is very nice. Just look at this silicone cover, it's nicely made, very supple, and the flat iron has the nice size. I think flat iron is a good product because it's good for almost all hair type, all hair lengths. So you will never go wrong with a flat iron. And this flat iron heats up quickly, glides effortlessly, and create very sleek or voluminous hair like this. It can curl, straighten, add volume. It's just a nice, like, versatile multitasker. What I love about this flat iron is how it maintains a very consistent temperature. And it protects the hair, it doesn't overheat the hair. I wouldn't say this is like the most advanced or most professional flat iron on the market, but it's something that's good for gifting. So if you're looking at something that's easy to manage, easy to use, and good for all hair types, I think this one is really nice. The next one is a fragrance. I think no gift guide is complete without a fragrance, but you want to pick the right scent. You want to pick something that's universally likable, but nothing like too generic, too overly used in any room. This is the Flowerbomb by Viktor and Rolf. It is a timeless, a classic scent. It is beautiful, feminine, vibrant. I think it's a very nice floral scent, more on the warm side. It's good for all year round, but it's wonderful, like perfect for fall and winter. It is like a mom figure kind of scent. It's sophisticated, but more like approachable. So when I do my scents, I pick something that's versatile, that's beautiful, and is good for all occasions. This fragrance definitely serves the task. It's also a very nice mood booster. It gives you the vibe, the positive vibe that you need every day. This is nice. Up next, I have something that's also a classic on the list, candles. I have this one, Well-Being Candle from NEOM. There's something special about lighting a candle, especially during the holidays. It is a mood. You're like giving a gift of good mood. The NEOM Well-Being Candles actually are more than just candles. The cozy night scent is totally next level. It's very warm and inviting. There are like little moments of calm and zen. I love its notes of sandalwood. Very like woody, like very warm, just like sitting by the fireplace. Depending on the space, you can pick different sizes. This is like the standard one. And this is like a bigger size for maybe living space. Usually for candles, I would just pack 1 or 2 of these along with a beautiful fresh bouquet, and it makes just like a perfect, beautiful, thoughtful gift for any moms. The next one is also a very nice gift for skincare lovers. If your mom is not too much into technology, I think this one will be nice. This pink bottle here, the Elizabeth Arden Retinol Plus HPR Ceramide Capsules. This will be perfect for anti-aging skincare at home. Each capsule has the measured dose of retinol and hydrating ceramide. So it is very powerful in terms of anti-aging, but it's very gentle. It won't make the skin feel like dry or tight the next day. It helps with a lot of visible signs of aging, like fine lines, wrinkles. It improves the radiance. It just does it all for the anti-aging skincare routine while giving that feel of luxuriousness. The next one is actually a handbag. This one is a little bit unexpected, very last minute, but I like to see it on the list. It is very stylish, practical, and I think a lot of moms would actually use it in their life. And here is the bag. This is the La Suzanne bag from Gerard Darel. This is French, so excuse my pronunciation, but it's a very nicely made multi-wear bag, and you can wear it as a shoulder bag with the short chain, or you can wear it as a crossbody with the long strap. And this shape is also very versatile. It fits a lot and also looks nice. You can dress her up or dress her down. This is a French brand, so it always like adds a little bit Parisian chicness to the outfit. So this is a perfect one, like a perfect blend of style, like luxury and functionality. If your budget is really like a couple $100, like on the lower side, and you want to explore their website, Gerard Darel has a lot of like nice classic pieces that I think a lot of moms would appreciate. Okay, so that's everything on my list. Gift guide for moms. I hope this video inspires you like a little bit to find a perfect gift for your mom or mom figures or anyone who deserves some extra love this holiday. If you're interested, I have everything linked in the video description. You can go from there. And for you guys, I have been trying to apply for codes, links, and discounts. So these are the best I can do. And thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I do, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!